In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize and pick your favorite photos on Google Drive. This process is straightforward and will help you manage your photos more efficiently, ensuring that you can quickly access your most cherished moments anytime you want. First, let's start by accessing Google Drive. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Google Drive homepage. You'll need to log in with your Google account if you aren't already. Once you're at the main screen of Google Drive, we're ready to begin the process of organizing and selecting your favorite photos. Next, direct your attention to the search bar, prominently placed at the top of your Google Drive screen. Click on this search bar. This tool is incredibly useful as it allows you to filter and find specific files quickly. Once you've clicked on the search bar, you should see a drop-down menu. Here you're going to select the type option. This will allow us to narrow down our search to just photos and images, making it much easier to locate the files we're interested in. Now, in the type section, choose photos and images and then press the enter key. By doing this, Google Drive will filter your files to only display photos, helping you focus solely on the images stored in your cloud. With your photos now neatly filtered, you can start selecting the images you want to organize. Click on the image you wish to tag as a favorite. If you're having trouble finding the ideal image, remember you can scroll through the list of photos displayed until you find the ones you love. Once you've selected a photo, look for the vertical ellipsis, commonly known as the three dots icon. Clicking on this icon reveals a series of options. What you need to do next is hover over the Organize option. This brings up additional choices for managing your selected file. After hovering over Organize, you'll see various options, including an essential one for us today, Add to Starred. Clicking on Add to Starred makes that specific photo one of your favorites, categorizing it in your starred folder. This way, all your selected favorite photos can be found easily under the starred section within your Google Drive. Repeat these steps for any additional photos you wish to mark as favorites. This method ensures your most treasured images are always just a click away, saving you time and helping keep your digital life organized. And there you have it, a simple yet effective way to organize and pinpoint your favorite photos on Google Drive. By following these steps, you keep your digital memories organized and cherished ones easily accessible. Thank you for watching, and I hope you find this guide helpful in managing your Google Drive photos.